Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You want speed now, so start by closing background apps with Task Manager and note which ones restart. Once done, free at least 10% of disk space by deleting temp files and emptying the recycle bin. This reduces disk thrashing and page file pressure. Make sure to back up crucial files to an external drive or cloud before major changes. While you back up, disable startup apps you don't need to prevent slow boots and immediate memory drains. Now perform deeper maintenance. Run disk cleanup including system files to clear Windows Update leftovers and thumbnails. This often regains gigabytes. Next, uninstall unused programs and revisit startup to disable non-essential services so RAM is available for active apps. Then run a full malware scan with a reputable tool and check disk health with CHKDSK or Smart Diagnostics, because failing drives cause. Finish with final tweaks. Set visual effects to prioritize performance to cut animation overhead and reduce CPU/GPU load. If the system still lags, consider hardware upgrades. Adding RAM or switching to an SSD delivers the largest perceived speed gains. Make sure to reboot after each change to confirm impact. If problems continue, boot into safe mode to isolate software from drivers. If speed improves there, a driver or app is the culprit. If not, test RAM and storage for faults and replace failing parts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.